Hola amigos, bien o no, y saludos desde Inglaterra. Hoy el tema es recuerdo que es muy importante para decir muy claro los sonidos terminales en inglés. Ese es el tema de hoy. So, hello again. Theme of the day is to remember that it's very important to make sure in English that we sound all the terminal sounds, like the end letters of words, and to give ourselves enough space between the words that we can hear clearly where one word stops and the next one starts. Because if we don't, we're in danger of leading to all sorts of confusion. Let's give an example. Let's look at the phrase, roads were poor. So, la calles estuve pobre. Roads were poor. If I bring that too close together, roads were poor, it sounds a bit like rose rapport, which is something completely different. It's like, well, who is Rose Rapport? Is that a name? No, roads were poor. Okay, that's an easy example, but bear that in mind, because if we're not careful and we start missing terminal sounds on words, it's too easy for us to run the words together and then we get a completely different meaning that we didn't intend. So, listen back to yourself when you're doing your reading and be conscious of the fact that what we're trying for is clarity, not necessarily speed. It's not a race. So with a happy thought, also cheerio for now.